Have you ever wondered why some first-time travelers seem confused and overwhelmed while others glide through trips effortlessly? Many people believe travel is always glamorous, easy, and stress-free, but reality is often different. Today you will discover the things nobody tells you before traveling for the first time. Being aware of these tips and insights helps avoid common pitfalls immediately. Stay with us until the end to learn everything you need for your first trip. Like, share, and subscribe for more expert travel advice and practical guidance for beginners. 10. Airports are always more complicated than they seem. Many first-time travelers underestimate how complex airports can really be. Security checks, boarding procedures, and baggage rules often create stress and confusion. Understanding airline regulations beforehand avoids last-minute issues and delays at the gate. Checking terminal maps and arrival times helps travelers navigate efficiently. Packing carry-ons properly and knowing liquids rules prevents problems with security. Even small mistakes like forgetting ID or tickets can ruin the start of a trip. Arriving early allows time for unexpected delays and necessary paperwork. 9. Culture shock can be overwhelming if you are unprepared. Visiting a new country often comes with unexpected cultural differences and surprises. Local customs, food, language, and social etiquette can feel confusing at first. Even simple gestures may carry different meanings than what you are used to. Noise levels, crowd behavior, and daily schedules may seem unusual to newcomers. Being open-minded and observant helps travelers adapt more quickly to new environments. Researching basic cultural norms and traditions before arrival prevents unintentional mistakes. Even experienced travelers sometimes struggle with minor culture shock during initial days. 8. Language barriers are harder than you expect. Even in countries where many people speak English, communication challenges often arise. Reading signs, menus, and transportation instructions may be confusing for beginners. Basic phrases in the local language go a long way to smooth interactions. Translation apps are useful but cannot replace human understanding entirely. Misunderstandings in markets, restaurants, or transit can cause minor but stressful issues. Listening carefully and speaking slowly improves comprehension and reduces errors. Showing patience and politeness encourages locals to assist and communicate effectively. Even learning greetings, thank you, and directions makes traveling easier and friendlier. 7. Budgeting and money management often go wrong quickly. Many first-time travelers underestimate how much daily expenses can add up. Small purchases like drinks, snacks, or souvenirs can unexpectedly blow your budget. Currency exchange rates, ATM fees, and credit card charges often surprise beginners. Planning daily budgets helps avoid running out of money mid-trip. Tracking expenses using apps or notebooks provides clarity and control over spending. Emergency funds should always be separate from daily travel money. Understanding tipping norms prevents awkward or overpaid situations. Comparing prices for accommodation, food, and transport ensures value for money. 6. Transportation systems are confusing for first-timers. Public transportation, taxis, and ride-shares vary greatly from country to country. Learning schedules, routes, and local etiquette is often more difficult than expected. Even apps may not provide complete guidance for unfamiliar transit systems. Asking locals politely for directions often works better than guessing. Booking tickets online or in advance saves time and reduces stress. Unexpected delays, strikes, or route changes can occur frequently and require patience. Car rentals in foreign countries often involve complex insurance and rules. 5. Travel fatigue hits harder than you imagine. Long flights, early mornings, and constant movement often leave first-time travelers exhausted. Even short trips can feel draining if you are not used to travel routines. Jet lag can disrupt sleep patterns and daily plans for several days. Carrying heavy luggage, walking long distances, and navigating unfamiliar areas adds strain. Scheduling downtime and rest periods is essential for maintaining energy during trips. Hydration, light meals, and proper sleep improve stamina and alertness while exploring. Ignoring fatigue often leads to mistakes or missed experiences during your trip. Pacing yourself prevents burnout and allows full enjoyment of each destination. 4. Overpacking and luggage issues create stress quickly. First-time travelers often bring too many items, causing heavy luggage and frustration. Packing without considering weather, activities, or duration leads to unnecessary bulk. Airline weight limits, baggage fees, and security rules create additional stress. Rolling clothes, using packing cubes, and limiting duplicate items saves space and energy. Choosing versatile clothing reduces the need for extra luggage. Organizing essentials like chargers, documents, and medications prevents last-minute panic. Heavy bags make moving between accommodations or transportation modes tiring. Overpacking can reduce mobility and make exploration more cumbersome than enjoyable. 3. Expectations versus reality can be a shock. Many first-time travelers imagine perfect trips based on movies or social media. Real-life experiences often include delays, language barriers, and unexpected costs. Weather may be unpredictable and local conditions differ from online images. Crowds, construction, and local regulations can affect sightseeing plans. Adapting expectations prevents disappointment and improves overall enjoyment of the trip. Planning ahead while remaining flexible helps handle surprises without stress. Accepting that not everything goes perfectly allows travelers to focus on positive experiences. Every minor hiccup can become a memorable story or learning opportunity. 2. Safety precautions are often overlooked. Traveling to new destinations carries risks that beginners sometimes ignore. Being aware of pickpockets, scams, and unsafe areas is essential for security. Keeping important documents, cash, and cards secure prevents unnecessary emergencies. Researching local laws, customs, and emergency numbers prepares travelers for unexpected situations. Travel insurance is vital to cover health issues, accidents, or lost belongings. Avoiding risky activities without guidance reduces potential accidents or injuries. Awareness of local traffic patterns, transportation safety, and environmental hazards is important. Precautionary measures enhance confidence and allow travelers to explore freely. 1. Embrace the learning curve and enjoy the adventure. Every first-time traveler will make mistakes, but that is part of the journey. Learning to adapt, problem solve, and stay patient improves confidence and resilience. Unexpected challenges often become the most memorable stories of your travels. Approaching situations with curiosity rather than frustration enhances experiences significantly. Taking time to observe, explore, and appreciate surroundings creates lasting memories. Even minor mishaps teach valuable lessons for future trips and travel planning. Embracing the adventure fully allows first-time travelers to grow and enjoy every moment. Traveling for the first time is exciting, but understanding hidden realities improves every trip. Applying these 10 insights prepares travelers to navigate challenges smoothly and confidently. Patience, preparation, and awareness create safer, more enjoyable, and unforgettable adventures. Every first-time traveler can benefit from learning these tips before their departure. Like, share, and subscribe for more expert travel guidance and practical tips for beginners.